Calling all grilling fanatics. This is going to be a fantastic time. We've invited some real pros to fire it up here. There's a big difference between what we all know as barbecue and grilling.
There is. Barbecue really is indirect heat. It's low, it's slow, and there always has to be wood smoke in there. And then grilling is hot and fast.
You know, I've never had sweet tea vodka, but I do love sweet tea. And I am very adept at putting sauces together. So I'm gonna really lean on that ability to create something out of these crazy ingredients.
The heat is on, chefs. We're thrilled to have you here for this special competition. As always, there will be 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. Okay, grills are red hot and ready to go. Please open your baskets. And we have sweet tea vodka, Asian steamed buns, baby romanesco cauliflower, and extra firm tofu. You'll have 20 minutes for the appetizer round, starting right about now.
I get chili powder, smoked paprika, garlic powder. I'm an extremely competitive person. I think you're either born with it or not. You know, shut up and cook. Put your meat where your mouth is.
I see tofu, and I immediately think Asian. I'm gonna make Asian-style tofu bao with grilled romanesco.
Everyone's probably gonna grill the tofu, but I want to show some originality. I'm pureeing with tomatoes. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with the bun. I decided I'm going the Italian route. Let's make breadcrumbs out of it.
So I put it in salt water and sugar water, a little bit of curry. The romanesco cauliflower, I toss it with some olive oil, salt, and a little bit of vinegar, and then from there it goes on the grill pan. It's a grilling competition, and I'm gonna focus on just cooking on the grill, making sure I have good, solid grill flavor.
Chefs, we're at the 2-minute warning.
My heart is racing. I know that I need to start plating. I see cast irons, and I think that lends perfectly for my plating. Behind.
1 minute to go, chefs.
I'm adding the tofu to the tomato sauce and pureeing it. I'm hoping to get a real soft texture, but I'm running out of time. I gotta get this on the plate.
Let's go. Finish up, finish up, finish up.
I'm shaking. The only thing I'm concerned about is getting everything on the plate.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Jay.
What we have here today is baby romanesco with a sweet tea smoked tofu tomato sauce with breadcrumbs made of the sticky buns and with some grilled sweet potatoes.
Next, we have Chef Richard.
Today I have a grilled Asian tofu bao, and I have some grilled romanesco there, so enjoy.
And next, Chef Melissa.
I have prepared for you an open-faced barbecue tofu sandwich.
Finally, Chef Sean.
What I did today was a little sticky bun crostinis. On top, I did a curry smoked marinated tofu. And then there's romanesco in 2 parts, grilled. And then I also made like a little salad with sweet tea, vinaigrette.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Sean, you've been chopped. Chef Jay, Chef Richard, Chef Melissa, please open your baskets. And we have wagyu ribeye steaks, baby corn, watermelon, and coleslaw dressing. 30 minutes on the clock this time. Beginning now.
Watermelon ram pickles are definitely a Southern thing, and I want to utilize that as much as possible. I'm also making a grilled wagyu steak with a grilled summer corn salad.
I see the coffee, the ancho peppers, I'm gonna do an espresso and ancho rub ribeye steak.
I sprinkle this ribeye with a mild barbecue rub, and I will put them on in the last few minutes because it's not gonna take long to cook those.
I want to work some type of crostini into the dish. To me, eating a steak, you gotta have a piece of bread. You gotta sop up those juices. That's it.
It looks like Jay and Melissa are done. And now Richard still has stuff in the freezer.
It's getting down to the wire here.
Richard is really scrambling. I don't want anyone to go down by not getting one of the ingredients on the plate.
I'm frantic at this point. And then I'm like, oh man, pickles.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
That was too close for comfort.
It's all on the plate. I did it. I'm happy with myself.
Chef Richard, what'd you do with that?
I did a grilled ribeye with a barbecue steak sauce, watermelon rind pickle, and a grilled baby corn salad.
Next, we have Chef Melissa.
I've prepared for you a barbecue rub ribeye with a watermelon corn salsa and a summer salad.
Finally, Chef Jay.
What we have here is an ancho and espresso rubbed ribeye steak with a corn and watermelon salad with a goat cheese and coleslaw dressing sauce.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Melissa, you've been chopped. Please open your baskets. And you must use stout beer, empanada wrappers, peaches, and marshmallow spread. 30 minutes on the clock this time. Starting now.
Thinking peaches and cream. Oh, it's kind of like a gravy and biscuit, but it's like for desserts.
So, I'm thinking stout ice cream. I see the marshmallow spread, and I'm thinking whoopie pies.
Chefs, we are down to 1 minute.
I gotta get my ice cream. It's a mushy, a gel-like consistency, but I'm like, I gotta get on the plate.
I poured the cream onto the peaches and strawberries, and before I knew it, I poured too much on. I'm super afraid that I'm gonna get chopped.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. So, Chef Jay, where'd that take you?
When I saw the marshmallow, I thought whoopie pies. I tried with the grilled peaches and stout to make ice cream with it. Didn't leave enough time, so that's why towards the end you saw me watching the clock.
Last dessert, Chef Richard.
What I made for you today is grilled biscuit and marshmallow peaches and cream. It's meant to be more of like a play on desserty biscuits and gravy.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Richard, you've been chopped. That means, Chef Jay Lippin, that you are the chopped champion.